guest, Shri C.H. Vijaya Raman Rao Garu, Government Whip Telangana, MLA Peddapalli. Guest of honor, Dr. V. Narendra Reddy Garu, Chairman, Founder Vienna Foundation, and other dignitaries. Annual Report 2025 to 26. In the academic year 2024 to 25, the children of Alphors High School, Sultanabad, showcased an exemplary performance with grand SSC results. The stupendous results of Alphorsians in the academic year 2024 to 25. Our student P. Satvik secured 589 out of 600 in SSC 2024 to 25 and 16 students. A. Vishnupriya, 588. K. Ashwarya, 587. V. Akshara, 585. T. Charan Kumar, 585. S. Madhushalini, 584. K. Vinay, 584. K. Pranay, 583. G. Akhila Reddy, 583. P. Akhil Rao, 583. T. Kishore, 581. G. Ishwarya, 581. K. Sahasra Reddy, 580. K. Sukriti, 580. A. Ranjit Reddy, 580. V. Brihathi, 580. Secured 580 and above. Among them, 15 children secured 580 and above and 53 students secured 550 and above in SSC 2025 results of Telangana. Academy held 4 formative assessments, 1 summative assessment, 8 INMTs, 4 INGTs. Apart from these, an exceptional initiative is taken to strengthen the base of the students in grammatical skills by conducting the Telugu, Hindi, English grammar tests and computer grand tests. Parent-teacher meets. The glory of the school lies in the systematic and periodical conduct of parent-teacher interactions. Overall, 5 parent-teacher meets have been conducted very successfully and satisfactorily under the dynamic supervision of the Honorable Chairman Sir Dr. V. Narendra Reddy Garu. Achievements: Inspire Manak Awards. Our science project IoT-based automatic accident detect and rescue system was selected for Inspire Manak Awards 2024 to 25. And our child Yogesh participated in the state level science Olympiads. It's a very glorious moment that J. Harini of V. Icon achieved state level 4th rank in CV Raman Science Olympiad and K. Shiva Karthikeya of 7 Icon achieved state level 5th rank in Srinivasa Ramanujan Maths Olympiad and going to take prizes by the Honorable former Vice President Shri Venkaiah Naidu Garu at Hyderabad. Y. Vishwateja, G. Devamshi, and Tota Varshit bagged district level 1st ranks in Mathematics and Science Olympiad. D. Manasvi, Chiluveru Maha, Ashri Nithya, K. Aradhya, Varshit, N. Himansh, Macha Shrihas, A. Ami Reddy, Manisha Reddy, G. Devamshi, Nalla Harshal Reddy grabbed district consolation prizes and receiving prizes by the hands of former Vice President Shri Venkaiah Naidu Garu at Hyderabad. G. Hasini of 9 Lotus and CH Maha of 7 Icon have participated in a Mode 2025 and bagged the cash prize. First prize in reciting shloks of Bhagavad Gita organized by Vishwa Hindu Parishad, Telangana region. Immensely happy to share that our Sultanabad children cricket team won the 2nd place in Alphors Cricket Championship and received the runner-up trophy by the hands of Honorable Chairman Sir. Independence Day and Republic Day. Week-long celebrations were sculpted for the Independence Day, Republic Day, Teachers Day and Children's Day, and various competitions like drawing, singing, essay writing, painting, elocution, sports and games and many others were organized. Festivals. Celebrating festivals in schools holds great importance in shaping students into culturally aware, socially responsible and color into the school environment, creating moments of happiness and togetherness beyond regular academics. Traditional festivals like Bonalu, Bathukamma, Toli Ekadashi, Ganesh, Bakrid, Vasantha Panchami, Christmas, Sankranti and Kartika Purnami. List of assembly activities. Alphos celebrates school assembly in the most unique and unparalleled manner to enhance the importance of various days like National Flag Adoption Day, National Parents Day, Tsunami Awareness Day, Legal Services Day, World Science Day and Peace, National World Tourism Day, National Legal Services Day, World Transportation Day, School Games Federation of India, SGF Games. Happy to share that 13 children were selected for Under 17 SGF softball state level tournament held at Nizamabad and Manoharabad of Medak district. Annual Sports Meet 2025-26 was organized and conducted various sports and games like running, musical chair, shuttle badminton, chess, table tennis, dodgeball, kabaddi, tug of war, Kho-Kho, volleyball for the children of classes LKG to 9. Pre-primary activities. As a part of real-life learning, our pre-primary kids created the environment of market and played the roles of vegetable sellers, flower sellers and fruit sellers and learned the measurement of various units like kilograms, grams, liters and dozens etc. Children performed a wonderful activity presenting the national symbols like lotus, peacock, tiger, national emblem and tri-color flag. Children exhibited all the states and unity of our country through a song, My Name is Madhuri. Save trees, save nature. Children enacted the story of Save Trees and Save Nature and explained uses of trees. Field trips. 4 to 9 class children were taken to Wandala, Hyderabad. Nursery to 2 class children were taken to the Deer Park, Karimnagar. Alphos educational institutions have been the benchmark for knowledge, wisdom, discipline, ethics, values and many other ideal noble traits. Alphos Group Chairman, Dr. V. Narendra Reddy's sagacious decisions always help in shaping the overall personality of field trips or competitions, debates or fairs, talent shows or extempore Alphos always proves to be the best and ideal.